Today, we are diving into the TrackMyGuys app, exploring the boss feature and all the sections it has to offer. Our TrackMyGuys application incorporates a boss feature, granting the company's administrator authorization to their business account, where you can gain access to all your company's information anytime, anywhere. When you log in, the home page serves as your starting point. On this page, displayed will be the company name that you registered on the website. Here, you will have access to see your company's monthly gross spending. The combined work hours of your employees will be tallied and presented here. Displayed here is a shortcut where up to 5 of your jobs may be selected. When you click Add a new job location, you will be able to add a new job to display. There will be a summary of your job location, including the job name, the date started, and the job address. Underneath is a pie chart displaying the percentage of the job that has been completed. To the right of the pie chart, the budget, total expenditure, and the total men's hours worked will also be displayed here. Moving from the home page to the TrackMyGuys section, at the top, there will be a white bar where you can filter your employees by the departments you have created on the website. It automatically arranges your employees in chronological order, from the earliest check-in time to the latest. If you select an employee, displayed will be their name, department, and the time that they clocked in. You can see all your employees here. If you scroll to the right or left, the employee profile will change, and the app will automatically display their job location on the map so you can see where they are. Moving on to the time card page, you have a passage to all your employees' timesheets. Here, your employees can also be filtered by department. By selecting an employee, you will see their full name, their assigned department, and the total hours worked of the selected week. You can filter in between weeks to check your employees' progress. On the bottom, total work hours will be summed, the total gross pay, receipts if any are added, and the total amount earned that week. You will be able to see the employee punches made that day, the time they started and completed work, all of the jobs performed, and any comments that the employee made that day. Correcting a punch can be done here, whether that includes editing the date or time, job location, or making some boss comments. To create a new employee punch on the desired employee, hit the plus sign on the upper right-hand side. Select a job location. Add a start and end date and edit the time your employee clocked in and out, and save. In the summary section, you'll find comprehensive details on all of your employees and jobs for the selected week, which can be changed on the white bar up above. Weekly calculations will be provided for these times. All your employees displayed will be organized by name, job location, hours worked, and gross pay. In the summary total, you will have access to all financial and temporal aspects of all your active jobs, which can also be filtered by week. At the bottom, the total hours and gross pay for the entire period will also be calculated. The best for last, the My Company page. When accessing employees, you can view your employees and edit their personal information, hourly rate, department, change the password, and status when needed. There is also a search bar to help you whenever you need. You can add new employees by clicking the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner. Add their name, email, phone number, hourly rate, assign a department, add a skill, and lastly, create their username and password so they can log into their app. You can view your boss profile and make any necessary changes when needed. Lastly, you have the option to log out of your account. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. We hope you found the information valuable and that it helps you in all your endeavors. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out and contact us. Thank you for choosing our platform.